Not just because you called me, but you're a good man. I would have made this boy run mad with his uncle.
No waiting you do here.
You better shut up your mouth, you little rats.
You drop your hand for ground. No waiting they do for here. Mama, please tell that mercy. Look at the solution on what they can do.
I can handle it. It's a small thing. But I cannot, if both of us are doing business, this kind of spiritual business,
yes,
I cannot go invade into your territory and you come into my territory.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand? The only solution there is for him to look for this lady and beg her. So beg. Kaobara. So bara.
So, Mama, how are we going to discover the lady that did this thing to him?
Odoguchim. Odogagum. Olisa. Magabiala. Woku nanu. Ha! You have luck. My gods.
See, if I were you, I'll kneel down and thank this woman. I'll beg, at least for somebody, they should review the problem of this thing. That means there's solution to it. And then you are making my to say your uncle is not that. Respect yourself.
If you want me to talk, stop looking at me that kind of eyes. And look on your uncle with pity. The lady, she is in far Anambra State. Ishiagu village in Anambra State. Go to Ishiagu village, you will see her.
Mama, we cannot go there without
please.
You're not begging now. You're not the beg now. Please, all of you are just selfish for nothing. You're not begging now.
Please, I'm begging.
You see?
Help my uncle, please.
I will help him. The only help I have just rendered now is you will go to Anambra State and look for that woman. Maybe if she accepts. And in fact, the only help I can also render to you is bring her, let her come, then I will beg her woman to woman.
Mama, it's not possible. It's not possible for us to go there and bring that woman. It cannot work.
Yes,
Mama, the only way for us to go with you, please, for the sake of me. Just for the sake of me. Mama, there's no problem. We can go there. I'll sacrifice my time.
Please help us.
You will be the one that will sponsor.
You're a good man. You will never die young.
Amen.
You will never die young. Even when your enemies are looking at you with Okpolo eyes, their eyes will fall blind. You're a good man. I will go with 2 people.
Thank you, ma'am.
I will go with 2 people.
Thank you.
Hey, show me no get there. That's thank you, man. This man is a very evil man.
But I don't like that name, that word you use on my
uncle. I swear to God Almighty, I will use my shoe like this. Hit you for it. I don't mind saying that you call me.
You should take it easy now. We are trying to amend this. Now you see putting it that my uncle is evil.
I will go and leave you once Mama changes her mind here. I'm telling you.
Flex.
Gabriel, man.
Gabriel. Let me make a little enchantment. Yeah. Holy Sabia. Chikeli bebia. Chikelu abia. Chikemiri bia. Chikelele bia. Mbia obia. Mwagina kwagie. Obia zamo. Mere. Yeah.
Why is he responding like that? Is he okay? Mama, this one will make him calm.
He will be calm. Don't worry.
Mama, that means if he can become like that, means you are in control of the madness now.
I am in control.
Then Mama, just help us now.
I cannot help. I cannot invade into the privacy of my colleague.
Mama,
it is not done.
I know that he has offended the woman, but if it's something that we can apologize and then you should just...
Yes, let her come. Let him... In fact, not him because he cannot talk. He's mad already. Let you kneel down and beg her. I'm clear this spiritual slap now.
I'm just talking about the possibility of me seeing her so that...
You will see her.
Mama, what's the location and how we can get her?
I said Anambra State in Ishagu village. Okay. Let's go. If you want to go now, fine. If you don't want to go now, let's go back to Abia State.
Okay, now you dey pay my. Whether you go find out you want to get in account, now you go pay.
Yes, I will run in and
how do you alone they say you wanna get other people where they get you?
Mama, no.
Okay, they ask you question. Now only you alone they stay here. Let me know what I'm doing.
Yes.
Allow Mama, I'll talk to Mama.
It's only me and
It's only this compound, is it rented compound?
it's our own.
You see people own?
Yes.
Is there anybody you can get for the person to be with the man?
I will call somebody. I will call my neighbor.
Your neighbor?
Yes.
So that you get yourself ready.
Yes, I will call my neighbor.
Mama, can we go there tomorrow?
No problem. Come and take me back to Abia State.
Don't worry about your transport. I will run in around.
Yeah, but they bring person who will help you. Now you stand.